Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to use Keylogger Meterpreter console in Metasploit. After you have exploited a system, there are two different approaches you can take, either smash and grab or low and slow. Low and slow can lead to a ton of great information if you have the patience and discipline. One tool you can use for low and slow information gathering is the keystroke logger script with Meterpreter. This tool is very well designed, allowing you to capture all keyboard input from the system without writing anything to disk, leaving a minimal forensic footprint for investigators to later follow up on. Perfect for getting password, user accounts, and all sort of other valuable information. Let's open up terminal. Here you can see that I already created a Meterpreter session. In previous video, I shown how to create session using MSF modules. Type sessions -i19. Here you can see that 19 Meterpreter session is opened. Type help. Here you can see that all command information. We start the keylogger. Type keyscan start. Here you can see that keystroke sniffer is started here. Type keyscan _dump. Wait for some time and dump the output. Type keyscan dump. Here you can see that user typed keys. Let's try once again. Type keyscan dump. Here you can see that targeted user typed keyboard keys. Here you can see by logging to the WinLogon process allows us to effectively harvest all users logging into the system and capture it. So that's it in this video on how to use Keylogger in Meterpreter using Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.